Our program consists of a huge variety of subjects, starting from the basics of psychology right up until applied psychology. What we essentially try to do is we try to expose our students to as many fields of psychology as possible so that they can make better informed decisions and they can choose the niche areas for their masters and their professions.
Psychology is not a subject. It is basically a life-changing domain which will definitely inspire you and improve your life. Now, from the perspective of at MIT WPU, we nurture compassionate thinking and we also explore analytical skills to improve and make difference in the human lives.
MIT WPU has now integrated a wide range of subjects ranging from basic concepts of human psychology to IO psychology, clinical psychology and neuropsychology. We emphasize on experiential based learning. Our classroom activities involve a lot of case-based learning, role-play activities and stimulation-based learning. Our research and internship programs are based on niche topics and it gives you diverse perspectives of new topics in psychology like cognitive psychology, neuropsychology, cyber psychology.
MIT WPU provides us with a platform, Club Atman, where I am also the head of operations. It is a safe space to talk openly about mental health and destigmatize any stereotypes related to mental health. It has helped me in my overall growth and success.
Psychology graduates have a variety of career paths. Our students mainly get into roles in clinical psychology, counseling, HR consultancy, social services, and our main recruiters are usually hospitals, NGOs, HR consultancies, again multinational corporations and so on.
At MIT World Peace University, student gets hands-on experiences on a true internship, and we do provide them the internship at different clinics, mental health clinics, rehab centers, some de-addiction centers, some special schools. So students get this exposure and the reality exposure in this program.
Would you like to explore the depth of the human mind, understand the complexities of how human behavior work? If yes, BA Psychology, the program at MIT WPU, is crucial for you to understand and learn about mental health and how it works. Join us today at MIT WPU.